Hi, I'm Oscar.
Hi, I'm Anthony.
Whoa, I'm amazing at how much fun it is broadcast at Nature Valley, first teen open to the whole world.
And talk to the champion and the stack song when I have the chance to launch how it's done.
And now let's go down to the green with Chris.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris and I'm down here on the 18 green and the players are really good. I'm watching Hale, Jeff and Tom, plus all the juniors and it's awesome. Now a quick message from our sponsors.
Most people see a putt rolling to the cup. I see root penetration and runoff coefficients. I see aeolian processes and eco-respiration, minerals in the lithosphere, life forms in the biosphere, infiltration in the hydrosphere. And I see all of this because of a putt rolling to the cup.
We partner with organizations to help educate kids in science, technology, engineering, and math.